So, hello, good morning. Okay, so today we want to see how to get the formula for resolving any expression into partial fraction. So, when we have a general expression like this, we need to resolve this into partial fractions. So, how do we go about it? So, the first thing we're going to do is to represent this as you replace you put each of these brackets under every constant here, like x minus a plus b over x minus b plus c all over x minus c. So these three constants, we now need to look for them, as in to find them. So how do we resolve into partial fraction? The first thing we need to do is to kind of do cross multiplication. That is, we take this denominator, use it to multiply this entire um, bracket. We put everything here in the brackets, and it's gonna be q equals to x minus a, x minus b, x minus c into brackets. We have a over x minus a plus b over x minus b plus c all over x minus c. Okay. So what we are now going to do here is to now multiply everything here, multiply every term with this 3. So what we observe is for this one, x minus a is going to cut x minus a, and these two brackets will now multiply a, and that's going to be a will become x minus b, x minus c, plus b will become x minus what? A and B, A and C. That is A and C. Because this is going to cut this for the B parts. So we are going to be left with x minus A, x minus C. And for the C parts, this x minus C is going to cut x minus C. We'll be left with x minus A, x minus B. Okay? Now, if we need to find A from this equation that we form here, if we need to find A, what do we need to do? We just need to equate this to 0 and then substitute in this equation. What will happen is that if x is equals to a here, it will make this to be equal to 0 and it will make this to be equal to 0. So we say at x is equals to a, q will become a into x minus b, x minus c. And that's so this one from here we will see that this is going to go, this is going to go, this will become 0 because this is going to be 0 and this is going to be 0 because this will be 0 and this is also going to be 0. So only this one, only this term will now be left. So a can now be easily found from here. Our a, letter a, big letter a will be q all over x minus b, x minus c when x is equal to a. So this is the formula that we are going to be using to get a. So if we want to get out of b, we say let x to be equal to b. So let x equals to b, you introduce x equals to b into this, a will be gone and c will be gone. Only this will now be left. So q will now be b into x minus a, x minus c, right? And from here, b is going to be q over x minus a, x minus c when x is equal to b. So this is the second formula that we need to use. Okay. Okay. So to now get C, our C is going to be using the same procedure. X is equal to C. So what will happen? Q will be equal to this S into, because X minus C is here, X minus C is here, but it is not here. So what will be left is X minus A, X minus B, right? And C from here will now be Q over X minus A, X minus B, when X is equal to C. So this is the third formula that we are going to be using. So anytime we are given any expression in partial fraction, so this is how we are going to be using this to get. So a simpler way to look at this is anytime we are given A, we know that the two brackets that will be under this Q will be from these two. That's X minus B, X minus C. But it is this one that will be equated to 0 to be substituted in that equation. Yeah. Now for this one, for B, so it is these two brackets, X minus A and X minus C, that will be under this Q, and the B will be equated to 0 and substituted in B in this equation. Then for the C, it is X minus A and X minus B that will be under this, while this one will be equated to 0. So this is how we obtain resolution of this fraction into partial fraction. Okay, thank you. Please encourage us to do more of these videos by liking, share, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.